guys, we're back! And today we're making
Smashed potatoes!
And we'll show you just how to make it coming up next on Love What You Eat. Good job, guys!
Here we have about 1.5 pounds of small potatoes, washed, skin on. We're going to add them to a pot of generously salted water, and we're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to cook the potatoes till they're fork tender, maybe about 5 minutes or so.
5 to 10 minutes or so, we'll check. And that's step 1 of making
Smashed potatoes. I'm going to test the potatoes to see if they're cooked through. I'm just going to try to pierce it. And the knife is going in pretty easy, so I would say that they're done. We're going to remove them from the water, we're going to pat them dry, and we're going to get them ready for the next step. So the potatoes are out of the water. We're going to melt some butter and we're going to mix it with some lemon zest. Once the butter and lemon zest are melted together, we're going to go back to preparing the potatoes by smashing them, and then we're going to drizzle them with the butter and following it with some olive oil, salt, and herb of choice.
And this will be baking on a parchment lined baking sheet in the oven. And there you go, something super simple, but a crowd pleaser. Who doesn't love a crispy potato, French fry, anything starchy, honestly. These again will be a crowd pleaser. Who doesn't love like a nice crispy type of potato? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, delicious.
Really good. I love the lemon. Oh, the lemon part of it. The herbs.
The
Super
butter.
crispy, but the
Still tender in the center. Yeah. And you can make different sizes. So we took a medium small one, but you can really even do those tiny small ones, mashed flat, where they end up being more like a crisp. So honestly, up to you. The flatter you smash them, the crispier they will be. But I love that these still have a tender bite and a crispy edge on the outside.
So do I.
Again, hope to have this at your holiday meal. This is perfect for any time year, but especially as a great side dish or even appetizer or different type of things on your holiday table. Thank you so much again for tuning in. New uploads every Sunday, and we hope you guys also check out our recipe blog at www.lovewatyoueat.net. And as always, continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Bye bye.